Hey legends, what's up? It's me, LegendaryMatroix, here back again with another video. This video is going to be 3 YouTube channels which have more subscribers than PewDiePie. So let's get right into it. Keep in mind, the 3 of these channels are YouTube generated, which means they do not officially have more subscribers than PewDiePie because they do not have their own content. So at number 3 we have Sports, which has over 75 million subscribers and it ranks number 3 on this list. At number 2 we have something that everyone loves and it's gaming. The channel has over 77 million subscribers, not that far away from Sports, but still it ranks number 2 on this list. So finally at number 1 we have Music, over 99 million subscribers, almost at 100 million subscribers. That's why it ranks number 1 on this list. So that's it for today's top 3 list. If you guys want more of these, please leave a like, subscribe, tell me in the comments, and if you want a shout out, the word will be on the screen right now. You can check that out and you just have to comment that in the comments. And the person who's getting the shout out today is ABD the Legend. Check his channel in the description, he's my friend. So that's it for this video guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and like my Facebook page. All of those in the description, and peace out.